Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 35th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned CSS pseudo classes and CSS pseudo elements. In this tutorial, you will learn how to style the table that we created a long time ago. So let's get started. As you can see here, our table looks very ugly, right? It doesn't look beautiful at all. So to style it, I will first remove this and give it ID or class. Let me say names, something like that. I will put internal style sheet here. Now I will target the ID that I created. Now I will target the ID, and that is names, right? Here I will set the border, and I will say border collapse. This will make the double lines to disappear, and I will say collapse. Right. Let me save it, refresh. You can see now those double lines have disappeared. Okay, what else can I do? Let me set a width. Here I will say, let me say 50% of our viewport. Save it, refresh. Alright, what else can I do? I will target the same ID and say names, right? Now I want to style the table data and the table head, and I will say border 1 pixel solid, and the color should be BD, that is kind of gray color. Let me give it a padding 10 pixels, save it. Let me refresh. Alright, you can see now the border is not double line like before. Alright, that's beautiful, right? Alright, so I want to give my table a background color. Let's say background dye color. Let me put it to aqua. Save it, refresh. Alright, you can see now our table has a background color. Alright, now I want the table head to be styled different. Alright, this one here, I want it to have a different style so that it is different from the table data. So to do that, I will target my table head. Here I will say names and then TH. Now I will say padding top. Let me say 15 pixels, and then padding bottom 15 pixels as well. So let me save this so that you see the difference here. Okay, you can see now there is a padding top and bottom. Okay, now let me align the text to the left. So I will say text dash align, and then let me say left. Save it, refresh. You can see now the text is aligned left. Let me change the background color so that it is different. Background maroon. Alright, you can see here. And then the color of the text should be white. Save it, refresh. Okay guys, I'm just showing you how you can style your table. There are other values that you can add to style your table, but that's what I can show you for now. I think now you have learned everything that you need to know about HTML and CSS. In the next tutorial, we will start creating this website from scratch. Everything that we have learned so far will be combined to create this website. I will see you in the next tutorial.